Street drone sightings along the East Coast are falling off. But after more than a month of seeing them pop up all over the place, like this one in Connecticut, there's still no explanation as to what they are, who's operating them, where they're coming from, or why. News Nation investigative correspondent Rich McHugh is with me live this morning for the latest. Rich, you've been in the field with police investigating these drones. Have they given you any updates or explanations?
Good morning, Marky. Well, updates, yes. Explanations, no. On a federal level, I reached out to the FBI. They say they have nothing to tell us at this time. On a background call with reporters, they said they largely dismissed the some 5,000 sightings as manned aircraft, but they say that there's over 100, at least 100, that still need further investigating. Now, on a state level, Sean Golden, the Monmouth County Sheriff, he constructed this heat map with every reported possible sighting. He tells me that the reporting sightings of drones locally have decreased. Nearby Ocean County Sheriff Michael Mastronardi, he's the one who has that drone unit, who brought me along with them. He says they've been investigating, but the reports of drone sightings, they've also decreased. This doesn't obviously solve the mystery. The feds have repeatedly said that the spike in drone sightings does not pose national security risks, despite not being able to locate the drone operators or where they are launching from. I asked Sergeant Kevin Fennessy, who runs that drone unit, specifically what they saw. Take a look.
We had one that was flying basically at us and stopped midair and did a 180. Then we had another one that looked like as it went up, the lights just turned off on it and it was gone. Most of the ones that we've gotten reports of have all been fixed wing drones, instead of like a quadcopter like we have, which is, the body of the drone and then 4 arms that come off.
So his account, Marky, runs obviously counter to the narrative, nothing to see here, and obviously why many Americans are not really satisfied with the federal response at this point.
Yeah, they want answers for sure. Rich McHugh, thank you so much. Appreciate it. All right.